Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can fix the error if Telegram does not show you contacts from your phone. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. And let's, friends, you and I get started and get down to this topic. In order to fix such an error, you will need to do one very simple action. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down to the bottom where you will see an app option. Tap on that option. Now you can swipe and see the search bar. You can see the word Telegram in it. Select this app. Now you need to select the Contacts option. If you have the first or second option selected, so if you don't have access in the Telegram app to the contacts on your iPhone, or only limited contacts selected, then you won't be able to find anyone in your contacts list in the Telegram app. You'll need to click right here to grant full access. After that, friends, I recommend that you take a few minutes to go into the Telegram app and try to search for the person you're looking for. If that doesn't work, then friends, you'll need to restart your iPhone so that this kind of updates, and that all contacts are downloaded and this error is fixed. This is the way you can quickly and easily fix the error if Telegram is not showing you contacts on your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put likes under the video. Take care.